Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use Panda Remit. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and begin registration. Enter your phone number or email, then create a password. After that, you will need to verify your identity. This process is called KYC verification. You will be asked to upload a valid photo ID, such as a passport or residence card. Follow the instructions on the screen and wait for confirmation. After your account is verified, you can set up your transfer. On the home screen, select the option to send money. Choose the country you are sending from and the country you are sending to. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. The app will automatically show you the exchange rate and any fees, so you know exactly how much the receiver will get. Next, add your recipient's details. You can enter their bank account information or choose a digital wallet option like Alipay, depending on what is available. Make sure all the information is correct before moving forward. Now it is time to pay for the transaction. Select your preferred payment method. This may include an online bank transfer or ATM transfer from your local bank account. Follow the payment instructions carefully. Once the payment is completed, confirm your transfer. You will receive a notification, and you can track your transaction status inside the app. That is how you use Panda Remit to send money safely and easily. Thanks for watching.